Want to know how to leverage TikTok ads for your e-commerce business in 2024? You're in the right place. TikTok, a social media platform that's taken the world by storm, is a game changer for businesses looking to connect with a young and vibrant audience. It's not just a platform for creative dance routines or hilarious sketches. It's a burgeoning marketplace with over 1 billion active users worldwide. In 2024, TikTok is more relevant than ever for e-commerce. Its unique blend of entertainment, community, and shopping has proven to be a potent mix for businesses seeking to extend their reach and boost their sales. With its intuitive advertising system, TikTok provides an opportunity for businesses to reach out to potential customers in a dynamic and engaging way. Now that you understand why TikTok is a game changer, let's get your business set up on the platform. Before we start advertising, you need a TikTok business account. Here's how to get one. First, download the TikTok app and sign up. Once you're logged in, tap on Me at the bottom right corner, then click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and select Manage Account. Here you'll find the option to switch to Pro account. Choose Business when prompted. Next, fill in the necessary details about your business. Make sure to pick a catchy username that aligns with your brand. And remember, a well-written bio can go a long way in attracting potential customers. Now let's link your TikTok business account to your e-commerce website. Go to Website under the Edit Profile section and enter your website's URL. This will create a direct pathway for TikTok users to access your online store. Now that your account is set up and linked to your website, let's discuss the different ad formats available. TikTok offers various ad formats. Let's understand which one suits your business best. TikTok's ad platform is versatile, catering to a variety of marketing needs. The most common ad format is the in-feed ad. These ads pop up in users' feeds, blending seamlessly into the content stream, making them less intrusive and more engaging. Then we have branded hashtag challenges. They engage users by inviting them to create content around a specific hashtag. These challenges often go viral, creating massive brand exposure. Next up, branded effects. These are custom filters, stickers, and special effects that users can apply in their videos. It's a fun, interactive way to get your brand in front of millions. The choice of ad format depends on your business goals. If you're looking for broad exposure, try a branded hashtag challenge. For a more interactive approach, branded effects could be your go-to. With the right ad format chosen, let's move on to defining your target audience. Knowing your audience is key to successful advertising. Let's define yours. TikTok is a melting pot of diverse user demographics, with a strong presence of younger generations. However, it's not just a platform for teenagers anymore. It's essential to understand that TikTok's user base is expanding across various age groups, with a significant rise in the number of adults joining the platform. This broad user base provides a wide range of opportunities to connect with potential customers. To define your target audience, think about your product or service. Who would benefit most from it? What are their interests? Age? Location? These are the kind of questions that will help you narrow down your target audience. Once you have a clear picture, you can use TikTok's ad targeting options to reach these individuals. TikTok provides comprehensive targeting options, including age, gender, location, and even interests. By understanding and leveraging these options, you can ensure your ads reach the right people at the right time. With your target audience defined, it's time to set up your budget. Budgeting is crucial for a successful ad campaign. Let's set yours up. First, establish a daily or lifetime budget. A daily budget is the maximum amount you're willing to spend each day on a campaign, while a lifetime budget is the total amount you're willing to spend over the course of the campaign. Now let's talk bidding strategies. TikTok offers 3 types: cost per click, cost per 1,000 impressions, and cost per action. Cost per click is the amount you pay each time a user clicks on your ad. Cost per 1,000 impressions is the amount you pay for every 1,000 views of your ad. And cost per action is the amount you pay when a user completes a specific action like making a purchase. The strategy you choose will depend on your campaign goals. Remember, the key to a successful budgeting and bidding strategy is testing and tweaking until you find what works best for your business. With your budget set, let's get creative and make some compelling ad content. Engaging content is the heart of TikTok. Let's create some for your ads. When crafting your TikTok ad, aim for content that feels native to the platform. This means content that is fun, creative, and most importantly, shareable. Remember, TikTok is a community built on trends, challenges, and creativity. Consider leveraging these aspects in your ads. For instance, you could create a branded hashtag challenge. This encourages users to interact with your brand, creating user-generated content that further promotes your products. Or, you could incorporate popular music tracks, dance moves, or meme formats into your ad. The key is to create content that feels organic to TikTok's culture. Also, keep it short and sweet. TikTok videos are typically 15 seconds to 1 minute long. Make every second count, and don't forget to include a strong call to action that points viewers towards your e-commerce site. Now let's analyze your ad's performance using TikTok's analytics tools. Data is your best friend. Let's understand how to use TikTok's analytics tools. In the world of TikTok advertising, analytics are the compass that guides your campaigns towards success. They offer insights into how your audience is interacting with your content, which in turn helps you optimize your strategies. TikTok's analytics tools are neatly packed into 3 main categories: overview, content, and followers. Overview provides a snapshot of your account's performance in the last 7 or 28 days. Content dives deeper into your posts and their performance. Followers, as the name suggests, offers insights into your audience. These tools, when used effectively, can provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior. For instance, if your videos are getting lots of views but few conversions, it might be time to tweak your call to action. Remember, the key is not just to collect data, but to interpret and act on it. Now that you know how to measure success, let's see how other businesses have succeeded with TikTok ads. Learning from others' success can be very helpful. Let's see how successful e-commerce businesses have leveraged TikTok ads. Take the example of a flourishing fashion brand. They utilized TikTok's in-feed ads to showcase their vibrant collection. Their strategy was to incorporate popular music and dance trends in their ad content. The result? A significant increase in their website traffic and sales. Then, there's this innovative tech company. They launched a branded hashtag challenge that encouraged users to showcase their products in a fun and creative way. This not only increased their brand visibility, but also fostered a sense of community among their customers. Lastly, let's look at a beauty brand that excelled by using branded effects. They created a unique filter that allowed users to virtually try on their products. This interactive experience led to a surge in user engagement and product interest. Let's wrap up by discussing how to stay compliant with TikTok's policies and adapt to algorithm changes. Staying within the rules and keeping up with changes is crucial. Let's discuss how to do that. Navigating the dynamic landscape of TikTok advertising requires a thorough understanding of its policies. Be mindful of the platform's ad guidelines, from content appropriateness to intellectual property rights. Each ad you post should respect TikTok's community standards, ensuring a safe and positive environment. Also, it's no secret that TikTok's algorithm is a mystery, ever-changing and unpredictable. But some consistent factors can guide your strategy. The algorithm favors original, engaging content that prompts user interaction. So keep your content fresh and encourage your audience to engage. When algorithm changes occur, don't panic. Instead, observe how your content performs, adjust your strategy, and continue to monitor the results. Remember, patience is key here. Staying compliant with TikTok's policies and adapting to algorithm changes isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about building a reliable, authentic presence on the platform. You're now well equipped to run successful TikTok ads for your e-commerce business. Happy advertising! Scene script. Engaging with the community and staying ahead of trends is key. Let's discuss how. To truly thrive on TikTok, it's not enough to just run ads. You need to become an authentic part of the community. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, participating in trending challenges, and promoting user-generated content. TikTok users value authenticity and interaction, so make sure your brand is not just seen, but also heard. Now let's talk about the future. TikTok is a dynamic platform that's constantly evolving. We're seeing a rise in live shopping events, augmented reality ads, and more immersive ad formats. Be prepared for these shifts and always stay updated with TikTok's latest features. And remember, the key to predicting trends is to monitor what's happening on the platform thoroughly. Keep an eye on popular creators, viral videos, and emerging hashtags. This will give you insights into what could be the next big thing. With this knowledge, you're ready to harness the power of TikTok for your e-commerce business. Good luck!